Yeah, greetings all over the world, my beautiful people, wherever you're watching me from. God bless you. Onyeocha Piaso in the house. If today is your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. God bless you. My people, wahala dey o, wahala. Na competition wey dey this world wey we dey. Competition, we know normally say that they get competition, like in sports, in some areas in life, the way we human being take create am. But competition no come mean say now make you come dey compete with your fellow human being in working places, in your lifestyle and things you do. Don't compare, alright? Because the moment you start comparing yourself, you want to get what other people get. You want to do what other people do. Big problem. Do your own. Alright? Why I take dey talk this thing be say, wetin competition don cause no be here. Na competition make people dey do some bad things wey they no suppose do, because they wan maintain, because they wan claim wetin they no be or wetin they no be reach. Make you no dey compare yourself with any person. Do your things your own way. Alright? Competition dey, make e dey for football field. Competition make e dey for dancing competition. Na those kind competition na we know wey be competition. Alright? Now I say make I still talk, because this thing no be here. No be so now. If you see some people, they call them fake oyibo. If you no know, make you know. Because of some people, they claim that they superior pass others. Na so e be. Wetin you want talk for that one? Na so e just be. You go see Anambra man now. Anambra man go tell you say na him better pass Imo man, abi? Who tell you that one? Say na you better pass. Everybody getting own. You go meet Ishan, man or woman, Asian, you go tell you say na them better pass Benin people. Who tell you that one? Who tell you say na you better pass Benin people? You go meet Benin people too, they go tell you say na them better pass Asian people. Who tell you that one? No one is perfect. Where they get bad people, they get good people. They are all over the world. Na so it just be. If you don't know, make you know. Na so it just be. So not going to tell me say na you better pass. If you are a good person, good for you. It's good to be a good person. If you are a bad person, now you know why you take become bad person, or why you choose make you be bad person. But to my own humble opinion, bad things no dey pay. If you are a bad man, bad woman, change your way. Change your ways and be a good person. Because if we all, at least more people, do good things and right things in this planet, in this world, the world will be a better and a safer place for me and you. Alright? Onyeocha Piaso here. So it's all about competition. To compare. Don't compare yourself with anyone. Don't let nobody mislead you. Have your own choice. From my mother language, Ndi Igbo na-asị, nwe okwu aka, do your own thing. Don't be fake, be original. No dey copy. Alright? No dey too much copy. Just tell yourself the truth. Be original. Alright? Onyeocha Piaso here. See you guys on my next one. Bye.